Artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing, automating tasks once thought to be exclusively human. As AI becomes more sophisticated, many people are wondering, will robots take our jobs? Let's explore the potential impact of AI on the job market. Part 1. Automation and job displacement. AI and automation technologies are capable of performing a wide range of tasks, from manufacturing to customer service. As these technologies become more advanced, many jobs that are currently done by humans could be automated. This raises concerns about job displacement and unemployment. Part 2. The creation of new jobs. While it's true that AI could lead to job losses in certain sectors, it's also creating new opportunities. The development and implementation of AI systems require skilled workers in fields like data science, machine learning, and AI ethics. Additionally, new industries and business models are emerging as a result of AI advancements. Part 3. The reskilling revolution. To thrive in an AI-driven world, workers will need to acquire new skills. This means investing in education and training to develop the competencies needed for the jobs of the future. Reskilling programs can help workers adapt to the changing job market and take advantage of new opportunities. Part 4. The importance of human skills. Even as AI becomes more sophisticated, there will always be tasks that require uniquely human qualities such as creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. These skills will be in high demand in the future, as they are difficult for machines to replicate. Conclusion. While AI will undoubtedly change the nature of work, it's important to remember that it's a tool, not a replacement for human ingenuity. By focusing on developing complementary skills and embracing lifelong learning, we can navigate the AI revolution and create a future where humans and machines work together to achieve great things.